IONe is a self-service portal for cloud service management based on the ESXi, KVM, OPENNEBULA, WHMCS billing platform. Let's explore the functionality of mobile cloud app. On the main tab, you see a list of your virtual machines. Click on one of them and control it. Turn it off and on. Reboot. Recover. Reinstall. Change the amount of your VM resources. Control disk and attach a new one. Control network. Boot order. Here you will also see the following information: IP address, capacity, storage, network, and graphs with up-to-date statistics of networks, CPU and RAM memory, disk bytes, and IOPS. And you can also create a snapshot. Or go to the console to manage resources. There we can use options of screen movement, keyboard, special keys, clipboard, open in the full screen, and make settings. Create a virtual machine from scratch. Choose operating system, resources, drive, and network. Choose the way of payment and launch it. In the application, you can also write a ticket to technical support and track your requests and correspond with specialists. Control and pay invoices directly in the app. In the settings, you can change the language of interface. Try IONE Cloud app now and manage your infrastructure easily.